Qualcomm and AWS partner in various different aspects, especially when with respect to automotive industry. Us and our partner BMW partner with AWS to enable the entire data and simulation factory ecosystem on the cloud. And not only BMW and Qualcomm together, but Qualcomm, we also run our entire ADAS development, cloud pipeline in AWS, and we have been so happy with overall with how things are going with our partnership.
Adding to that, you also brought your chips, the AI100, on our DL2q instances. So they are now available to customers, and they can run inference workloads on it. They can train or they can run inference on Gen AI. And so it's a very efficient chip, a very efficient way, apart from the standard ways of doing it. So it enables customers to run their in-vehicle silicon in the cloud.
Yeah, and recently I think we also announced our partnership between SageMaker and Qualcomm AI Hub, where automotive customers and other industry customers, you can train your model in SageMaker and you'll be able to quantize and compile your model in our silicon using Qualcomm AI Hub. You can actually pick a device, bring your own model, bring your own data, and you are able to compile and deploy it on Qualcomm devices. So there are several interesting aspects which we are working on. So I'm very excited to be here in reInvent, and thank you for hosting us. And it's amazing.
Yeah. Thanks for coming. I mean, it's really great collaboration, and I think both companies can really enable customers to do autonomous mobility development, but also to enable customers in general to have a seamless interaction with the Qualcomm chips in the AWS cloud.
Thanks, Martin.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.